Welcome to Scale Model Kit Review. This is Steve. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Up next is the Andrea Miniatures Eiserne Kreuz series, U-Boat Kommandant 1941, kit number EK48-F009. This is in 1/48 scale. Built kit is painted by Carlos Royo. There are 7 pieces total. It's an all-metal kit. This highly detailed figure represents Kapitan Lieutenant Herbert Kupich, born December 10, 1909 to August 27, 1943. He was a German naval officer during World War II and commander of U-58, U-94, U-516, and U-847. He was also the recipient of the Knight's Cross of the Iron Cross. Now I will highlight a few of his patrols. Kupich commissioned the larger U-94 Type 7C on August 10, 1940. This detailed figure shows Kupich on board the U-94. The U-94 is a Type 7C U-boat, which was produced by Trumpeter in 1/48 scale. That kit has a full interior and a completely clear hull side to show all the interior details and the crew. The first 2 months were training period for the crew, and the U-94 became an operational U-boat on November 20th, 1940. His 11th patrol started on March 29, 1941, lasted 21 days, and had a successful ending. He sailed from the port of Lorient towards the area south of Iceland. 2 days later, he saw the Norwegian tanker Lincoln Ellsworth and attacked it. The ship was stopped by one torpedo, and when it lay dead in the water, Kupich surfaced and sank the ship with his 88mm deck gun. Kupich's 12th and most successful patrol started on April 29, 1941 and lasted 37 days. He sailed from the port of Lorient towards the area south of Greenland in the North Atlantic. On May 7th, he intercepted the OB-318 convoy. OB is coding from Liverpool outward North America. This convoy was en route from Liverpool to the USA and consisted of 38 ships. Shortly after 2300 hours, Kupich fired a salvo of 4 torpedoes toward this convoy and sank 2 cargo ships. He sank the Norwegian cargo ship Eastern Star and the larger British cargo ship Ixion. On May 14, 1941, Kupich was awarded the Knight's Cross of the Iron Cross by Admiral Donitz for his success. Kupich's 13th and last patrol with U-94 started July 12, 1941. He sailed from the port of St. Nazaire towards the area west of Gibraltar on July 12th. After being at sea for 36 days, he returned to St. Nazaire on August 16th. After his return, Kupich left the U-94. On July 1st, he took over command of U-847. This is a Type 9 D2 U-boat. Herbert Kupich's 15th and last patrol started on July 29th, 1943 and lasted 30 days. He sailed from the port of Bergen on July 29th on a resupply mission in the Sargasso Sea in the Atlantic Ocean. In the period between August 12th and August 23rd, he resupplied 7 other U-boats with fuel and sailed afterwards to the Indian Ocean. During his voyage towards the Indian Ocean, the U-847 was spotted by 2 American airplanes who had taken off from the escort aircraft carrier USS Card. The American Wildcat and Avenger plane launched a successful airstrike on U-847 with Fido torpedoes. The U-847 was hit and sank immediately with Kupich and his entire crew, 62 still on board. Captain Lieutenant Herbert Kupich was at sea for a total of 338 days and sank 16 ships measuring 82.108 BRT, gross registered tons. This kit is contained in a compact blister pack surrounded by styrofoam. Let's open this up. Let's get a closer look at the kit parts. Now let's look at this exquisitely painted figure by Carlos Royo. Andrea Miniatures also produced this kit in 1/16th scale, 1/35th scale, and lastly 1/72nd scale. Below in the description box, I put links to purchase this kit. In order for you to see more Andrea Miniature kit reviews, please subscribe to my channel. You can also click on the bell to receive notifications on any new video uploads. I would like to thank Andre Miniatures, Andre Depot USA, for this wonderful sample. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy modeling.